So today I'm going to be telling you 4 ways to get a smooth, soft, silky, glowing skin. Now you agree with me that whether you are dark skin, caramel skin, or fair skin, the texture of your skin matters. Like how smooth your skin is what is going to pop that's your complexion. So that's what we're going to talk about today. So if you're a fair person, you need this video. If you are dark, if you are caramel, no matter your complexion, this video is for you. We are going to be talking about how to smoothen the skin, how to soften your skin. So if you're having dry skin, cranky skin, like your skin is not appearing smooth, then this particular video is for you. Remember to give this video a like at any point you like what I said, and subscribe to the channel, leave a comment, ask your questions, and I will always be here to answer you. Welcome to Beautiful Jenny Skincare. I am super excited to have you here. Let me know where you're watching me from so we'll have a conversation. Okay, so the first way to get your skin to be smooth, to be soft, is to change your exfoliator. Now, when I talk about exfoliator, I am talking about the soap you use to bathe. See, if you want to soften your skin, if you have dry skin, or whether you have dry skin or not, you just want your skin to feel softer, you need to start using shower creams. Okay, ditch those bar soaps. Bar soaps are good, they are beautiful, they are wonderful, but when it comes to softening your skin, remember we are talking about softening and smoothing of the skin. The type of exfoliator that is going to do that for you is a shower cream. Know that there is something called shower gel and there is shower cream. Shower gels are the ones that have this transparent, translucent feel, and then shower creams are the ones that come with milk. So the shower cream that is going to smoothen, soften your skin is shower creams made with almond milk, coconut milk, goat milk, especially goat milk. I seriously love goat milk shower creams. So the point is, ditch your shower gels, ditch your bar soaps, and start using shower creams. This will really help to improve your texture because it contains milk. Milk really helps to smoothen the skin and it helps to make your skin soft. So the first tip is to start using shower creams. See, if you start using shower creams, you're going to notice this difference between 1 to 2 months of using shower creams, that your skin is now looking softer. Your skin is now looking smoother. It's no longer rough and all of that. Now, the second tip is to use body scrubs. Now, a lot of people, the last time I made a video regarding this, people were saying, especially mothers, were saying, they don't have time and all of that. You don't need to use your scrubs every day. Besides, you don't use scrubs every day. You use scrubs 1 to 2 a week. Just once a week, baby, is okay. That's all I'm asking you to do. Use your body scrubs once a week. And for this particular purpose of smoothing and softening your skin, I would recommend sugar scrubs over salt scrubs, because salt scrubs is a bit harsher than sugar scrub. In fact, salt scrubs is like the harshest form of scrub. Okay, sugar scrub is mild, and then coffee scrubs and all of that, those ones are mild, but I'm going to be recommending sugar scrubs for this particular purpose of skin smoothing. Okay, I would recommend this Dr. Mania sugar scrub. I actually have it inside, but I didn't come outside with it. It skipped my mind. That's the scrub I've been using currently, and it's lovely. So any sugar scrub that contains any exfoliant, this particular one here I mentioned contains 30% AHA, so it is actually very good and it's affordable. The one I just have now, I got it a few days ago. I got it for 4,000 naira, so it's affordable. So use your sugar scrubs, not salt scrub. Use your sugar scrubs once a week, okay, and you're going to see a big difference in the appearance of your skin. Now, the third tip I have for you is to use body oils. Now, yes, I know I've been singing body oils on my channel, and right now I think I sound like a broken record. But you need to use body oils in your skincare routine, even if you don't use it every day. Okay, maybe you are in Africa like me, or in Nigeria to be precise, where the weather is really hot. You can't go about applying lotion and oil every day, unless you have ACs all around your house. If you do, then you can, but if you don't, yes, you can't. So you need to start using body oils. How I personally do this is I use body oils some nights, not every night. So some nights after having my bath, I just apply oils on my skin. The reason is you can eat every other thing, like you can digest every other thing your body needs to glow, every other thing your body needs to stay healthy, all the vitamins and minerals and all of that. You can actually eat that through the source of food. But oil is something you can't just carry oil and be drinking. You can take maybe vitamin E supplements or capsule, that fish oil stuff. You can be taking it, but you can't compare it to topically applying oils to your skin. It really helps to smoothen your skin. So start applying oils on your skin. It is going to help with the appearance of your skin, with the texture of your skin, especially for those of you that have rough textured skin. Applying oils will help. Any type of oil, okay, just make sure it is oil that is suitable for your skin complexion. Remember, this video is not complexion based, so whether you are fair, you are dark, just use oils that you know that is suitable for your skin complexion. So for example, if you are fair, you should be looking at oils like carrot oil, turmeric oil, papaya oil. Almond oil is also neutral. Almond oil will not like darken you and all of that. If you are darker shade, you can look at olive oil, you can look at Johnson's baby oil, Pierre's baby oil, you can look at coconut oil if your skin likes it. Not everybody's skin tolerates coconut oil, just so you know. So that's just it. But the point is, start applying body oils at least weekly, at least 2 to 3 times a week in your skincare routine. Make out times, whether in the morning, maybe some mornings, the days you're not going out, after having your bath, just apply oil. Let your skin sip in the oil, and you're going to notice that over time your skin is going to be brighter, your skin is going to be smoother, your skin is going to be softer to touch. So the last on my list tip for you today is especially for people with dry skin. If you have excessive dry skin, you have used every type of body lotion, but once you just apply that body lotion and step out, your skin is dry. After like 10, 20, 15 minutes, your skin is dry again like blackboard. See, stop using body lotions and go for body creams. Cup, any cream you see in cup, okay, get it. It is specifically made for people with dry skin. Sometimes there are some body lotions that also come in cup, and you'll be wondering what's the difference. Look at the ingredients, is exactly the same. The difference is body lotions have more water in them. Body oils have more oils and butter depending the ingredients in them. So that simply means that your lotion is more hydrating and your body cream, that's the cup cream, is more moisturizing. Do you get, in as much as it is hydrating, but it is more moisture, it is thicker. So if you get a body lotion, it is a bit runny. You get the cup cream of that same cream, it is going to be thicker. So if you have excess dry skin, stop using body lotions. Go for cup creams. Cup creams are specifically made for dry skin people. So that's the tip I have to share with you in this video. I hope you have learned something, and I hope you have not forgotten to give me my like and my subscription, or leaving a comment, or telling me where you're watching this video from. Let's have a conversation and get to meet and know each other. Thank you for watching to this point. If you did, let me know if you reached this particular point. I'll be so glad to know that you all watch my video from beginning to the ending and I don't get to just talk to myself. Yeah. So I'm going to see you on any of these videos right here. Let's continue our beautiful, meaningful discussions. Okay. Thank you for watching.